Welcome to Bamfordrose and another question of the week. This week it's about the V8 Vantage using the Graziano 6-speed manual gearbox. So this would have been a 4.3 V8 Vantage that came out in 2005, which evolved to 4.7 V8 Vantage with the manual gearbox. Now don't forget, both sport shift and manual share the same gearbox, but because you're changing gear with a stick instead of the robot doing it, then this video is only really going to apply to manuals. The problem we're going to talk about today is one that most owners will come across at some point in time, which is when the car is cold, when the gearbox oil crucially is cold, and after you've moved off for a few shifts, the shift between first and second is quite stiff. In the winter, the colder the ambient, the stiffer that first to second shift is noticeable, more noticeable. In the summer, on some gearboxes, it won't be noticeable at all. The condition is worsened if the gearbox has been refilled with the incorrect oil. You know, perhaps a garage somewhere has used a generic 75W90, even a Castrol Syntrax high pressure type oil. That won't be any good for this gearbox. You really need the Castrol BOT 270A, which is a special blend of 75W90 just for Aston Martin. Thanks to this owner, who I know subscribes to this channel, we've got this clip that we've got to review today. He just bought this V8 Vantage and on receipt of the car and first drive noticed that the gearbox is exhibiting this problem. Fortunately, the car was bought from franchise dealer on a approved used timeless warranty scheme, so I'm sure this problem is going to get itself sorted out. So the question is this behaviour from first to second when cold normal? Is this the normal stiff to select second gear? Or is this a problem with my gearbox?
Okay, off we go. Just testing gear change from first to second from cold.
So let's start by saying that, in my opinion, I've not sat in the car, but just looking at that video, I can tell a few telltale signs from watching it. If we just replay the clip again and zoom in on his hand as he's changing gear, you'll see here that as he comes out of first and goes into second, you'll see there's no more actual force needed to get it into second gear. Typically when cold, when you go to select second gear, you're just going to balk on the synchro selector ring. You're not going to be able to get it into second with a free movement, the normal sort of force you'd be applying on the gear lever to select second. It's just going to stop on the entry gate on the synchro to that gear. Rewind the clip again and just watch his motion of changing from first to second. You can see that he easily slides into second gear. On cars where everything is in service, the clutch is in service, the gear oil is not needing to be changed, then especially on a cold day, it's pretty stiff to get it into second gear. And what I find myself doing is, for the first few pullaways and first few shifts whilst the car is cold, I'll pull away in first, obviously, and then I'll probably miss second and go into third. Then after a few trips, you can select second without any problem. And when it's warm, you're going to slide into second gear without any bulking on the synchro mesh. You could do a good old-fashioned double D clutch, and that would get you into second gear. And because this guy realizes that there is some sort of issue and has got quite a bit of mechanical sympathy, then here's a good example of how you can do that. I often get asked the question about stiff gear selection, and it's something that it needs testing for at point of purchase to make sure you're not buying a car with a problem. But it's also important to know that how the gearbox does behave normally when it's cold. And for the first few shifts, a stiff selection of second is no issue whatsoever. A small percentage of the problem is down to the clutch itself. Again, our friend that weak single plate clutch fitted to the V8 Vantage. which is why when we upgrade to a twin plate here, we change the fulcrum point on the selector shaft arm. That results on more force being applied on the lever and helps get into second from cold when the restriction is just thick oil on the synchro mesh. Hope you liked that question of the week, and as always, really helps us if you can subscribe to our channel, click us a like and let us know about your experiences with the V8 gearbox. We'll see you on the next question of the week.